Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today we're working on a 2015 KTM 250 XCW, and this has a problem that a lot of you guys probably have, the starter. Listen to this thing. Alright, so we got to pull it off and check it out what's going on. We're going to get to the bottom of this. I'm going to have to take the pipe off. This pipe's pretty bent, so it's blocking the cover. Pipe off, take the cover off, and then we're going to see, look inside there, hit the button a couple times and see what's going on. Okay, gear looks good. So the starter's spinning good. This sprag is what's bad in here. Let's take this off some more. There's our problem. So this piece here should be, when it spins, it's supposed to expand it, but it's just messed up. This whole thing's messed up. So I'm gonna order up a new one of these and get this bike back together. All right, so here's a brand new one, KTM. Let me show you what this one looks like and how it works. All right, and this one here, and this is what you want it to do. When you turn it, there's teeth in here that are on the main shaft, and it ramps it outward, all right, like that. Turns one way, but when you turn it the other way, see, it turns this way freely. When you turn it the other way, it should push it out. So when you hit the starter spins it, it separates it apart. Just the Bendix separates it apart, and then it grabs the flywheel, and then as soon as the flywheel starts, it should snap right back. Okay, so if yours is not doing this, all right, that's the problem. Turns one way, the other way, it pushes it away. All right, so I'm going to get all this cleaned up here, get all this old stuff and mess out of here. I'm going to get this all clean. I'm going to re-grease, put some red grease on all the teeth here, and I'm also going to put it on the teeth of the new Bendix and clean this all up. A little bit of grease inside of here, and we're good to go. Let me get it all cleaned up before we go further. All right, so when you get it all greased up again, just grease up the teeth right there, and don't forget the shaft on the end. On both ends, so I'm going to wipe some of that grease off right there. But and then we're going to slide it back into place. All right, now let's use new gaskets. I'm putting it back together again, so everything stays sealed up and it keeps all the dirt and grime from out of there. All right, new gasket on here. I'm going to just carefully work it in. I got the Bendix sitting in the cover, so hopefully it doesn't fall. Alright, so I got the Bendix in now. Make sure the gaskets and everything are lined up. Alright, let's bolt it back in. So you got the three lower here, here, and here. So the middle one goes through here, and then you have the two lowers. Right, got a new gasket for the cover here. All right, so let's get the starter back in before we put anything else on here. All right, then we're going to slide this gear on here, the cover. going to hit the starter button quick, make sure everything's working good before you fully button it up. Yep, and it sounds good. It's working again. Let's get the cover back on. All right, let's hit the button, make sure everything is good. All right, good. So everything is good there. I'm going to finish cleaning this up. New air filter, new spark plug. Make sure that it's ready to go. All right, guys, so that's it for the Bendix. Make sure it stays clean. If you need to take it off every once in a while, clean it out. Make sure there's no dirt and grime inside of there. Do that. But replacing it is pretty simple. When they go bad, just chuck them and get a new one. Get these bikes' electric starts working good. I'm going to get this thing ready. He's got a race coming up in a few weekends, so I'm going to go over the bike and get it all ready to go. Guys, hopefully this helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications, and until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair.